but I'm sure many herpers would understand. Lizards poop on everything.
Welcome to my channel and join me as I video everything that I am passionate about, from reptiles to jet skis and basically anything in between.
Welcome to another episode of ZardHouse. This one is going to be encompassing getting prepared for the upcoming show in 2 days. Right now is January 24th. So essentially there's 2 days left before the show starts, but there's only one day, basically today, that I have to get ready. So it's after work. I'm getting started packing everything up. I'm going to go tomorrow straight after work to start setting up my booth, and then Saturday it's go time. So as you can see, or as you can hear more likely, I'm sick. Actually now I just have a sinus infection, but I've been sick since the first of this year, so it's the 24th. That's 24 days that I've been sick. I'm tired of it. I'm super excited about this show. I just want to share the process with you so you can come along with me. So here is some of my booth materials that I'll be packing up shortly and putting into my car. Some camera stuff. You got some jet skis. Let's see, baby gates. We've got a puppy in the house, so here's some of the pothos. I'll be bringing this tomorrow, some gecko cups. We've got stickers. We've got charging GoPros, some GoPro action. Over here, I'll need to be assembling cages. I'll probably be assembling those cages at midnight, the way things are going. So, let's just go this way. Oh, Paxi! Sit. Good girl. Okay. Hey, you don't jump. So that's Pax. She's our purebred Doberman. Yeah, aren't you cute? I'm back. I thought this was funny. This actually just finished. This is my backdrop for normally shooting the Cresty Gecko pictures, and so many of them had pooped on it that it is time to clean it. I am not going to have that as my backdrop at the show. But I'm sure many herpers would understand. Lizards poop on everything. Alright, we're here. Let's see how this goes. Got the stuff, got other stuff in there. Let's make it happen. Yeah, that's true. They're actually more common in Asia, but obviously that's not part of our market. Like they don't import really or export. So now that they're starting to show, so it's super exciting just to see like if you can pair.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What you can do.
Yeah.
What you doing there? Snaking? Be good. Oh, very good. There's Rexy. They're pretty, yeah, they're spiky. Yeah.
That's what she's over. Right to the side.
Yeah. Oh yeah, perfect right there. I love it. We're good to go. So we're trying to get me like riding it. Wow, that works really well.
for me to go cruise. I gotta buy a live rat and some other feeders for my monitor, so let's go. Alright, we got the shoulder beard going on. Sunday, show's going. What time is it now? Okay, so noon. It's getting a little bit more busy now that noon's coming along. People are coming out, I guess, after they've eaten lunch. And just sold another enclosure. Sold, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, sold little Rexy. So he's going to a new home. She's actually a rescue beard. See how spiky she is? You can touch her spikes on the side. They're kind of soft, but yet still movable. These guys, they're so easy. I do have a male though that is pretty crazy. She's crawling.
She's trying to smell
She's a
me.
cruiser.
She's trying to smell me.
I love it. Her little tongue, it'll tickle you.
Is this a crested gecko?
This is a crested gecko. And he's cool, he's really soft.
The bearded dragon's like, I want to get pet.
Yeah. She's photogenic. Are you looking for the top eye?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He has never seen one.
Yeah.
They have a third eye on top of their head. It doesn't like work like a typical eye does.
They can see like
Shadow kind
shadow, like birds overhead is really what it's predators.
So they don't have to completely turn their head and look at it. They can just have that.
The first time
It's small, it's up there a little.
first time I saw a snake in real life was at a zoo.
Okay.
And the guy was just sitting there, ooh, wow, with like a 5-foot snake around his shoulders, and he was just like, y'all want to touch a snake? Y'all want to touch a snake?
Look, she likes it. She's trying to smell you.
Ooh.
No, it's okay. It's nice. It's okay. It's fine.
See, her beard's soft.
Yeah, look. You can't have this one because somebody already owns it.
We're just hanging out here. We've got the snake out, we've got the bearded dragon, and it's what, midday on Sunday? I've got her right here. 220. 220. And really Really, we're just like the snake. We're just cruising. Oh, here she goes. She's trying to. There she goes. I want to eat that lizard right there.
I always thought these were like hard, but then I'm touching it.
Yeah, it's like the beard.
Yeah, like the beard.
It's just very, very, very soft.
Can I see your toes? I wanna.
Little toes.
Oh, they're getting after it, yeah.
Oh yeah. It's so cool.
Like I said, if you see those vipers over there, they don't have to make a noise. You just look at them.
Oh. This is my little female. Roaches are the coolest.